Welcome to Ayurveda Smart e-classes. Charaka Samhita Sutrasthana. For any doubt, you can just go through this blog. Chapter 17, Kiyanda Shirasiya Adhyaya, Diseases of Three Vital Organs, including head and other conditions, Part 3. 62, Permutations and combination of Samsarga and Tridosha. 13 types of Sannipada. Dvayulbanaika, Ulbanaihi, Shatsyuhu, Hina, Madhya, Adikaischa, Shat. Samaischaigo, Vigaraste, Sannibadaha, Trayodhasha. There are 13 conditions of Sannipada of dosha, means combination of all three dosha. Out of these, 3 conditions are with a dominance of 2 dosha, other than 1 dosha comparatively less increased. 3 conditions are there with dominance of only 1 dosha, other 2 dosha comparatively less increased, and 6 condition with diminished, moderate, dominant dosha. 1 condition with equal aggravation of all 3 dosha, total 13. So in this table we can see 13 types of Sannipada. 2 dominant dosha, 3 types. Vata Pitta dominant, Kapha normal, Vata Kapha dominant, Pitta normal, Pitta Kapha dominant, and Vata normal. Second is with 1 dominant dosha, 3 types. Vata dominant, Pitta Kapha normal, Pitta dominant, Vata Kapha normal, Kapha dominant, Vata Pitta normal. And third is 1 dominant, 1 moderate, 1 diminished dosha. 6 types. Vata dominant, Pitta moderate, Kapha diminished. Vata dominant, Pitta diminished, and Kapha moderate. Third is Vata moderate, Pitta diminished, Kapha dominant. Fourth is Vata moderate, Pitta dominant, Kapha diminished. Fifth is Vata diminished, Pitta dominant, Kapha moderate. Last, sixth is Vata decreased, Pitta moderate, and Kapha dominant. And fourth classification is all doshas are equally aggravated. That is, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha are equally aggravated. So these are the 13 types of Sannipada. 9 types of Samsarga. Samsarge Navashat Tebhya Ekavridya Samastraiha. Pradak Trayascha Taihi Vriddaihi Vyadayaha Pancha Vimshadihi. Samsarga means a combination of 2 provoke dosha, and there are 9 such combination of samsarga. Of these, 6 samsarga have 1 dosha more provoked than other. In the remaining 3 cases, both dosha are equally increased. Samsarga 9 types. So we can divide this into Vada Pitta, Vada Kapha, and Kapha Pitta. Vada Pitta, 3 types of Samsarga. Vada provoked, Pitta provoked, Vada and Pitta equally increased. For Vada Kapha, there are 3 types. Vada provoked, Kapha provoked, Vada and Kapha equally increased. For Kapha Pitta, Kapha provoked 1, Pitta provoked 1, and Kapha and Pitta equally increased. One more classification is the Ekadoshaja, 3 types. Vata increased 1, Pitta increased 1, Kapha increased 1. So total dosha vriddhi is 25. Ekadoshaja 3, Samsarga 9, Sannibada 13. Next, 25 condition of Shina dosha. Yatha vriddaihi tatha Shinaihi doshaihi Syuhu Panchavimshadihi. Similar to combination of increased dosha mentioned above, there are 25 conditions of Shina or decreased dosha. 4. 12 Sannipada of normal, increased and decreased dosha. Vriddhi Kshaya Kradaha cha Anye Vikalpa Upadekshade. Vriddirekasya Samada cha Ekasya Samkshayaha. Dvandva Vriddihi Kshayaha cha Ekasya eka vriddhihi dvayo kshayaha. There is another form of Sannibhada where the doshas are present in normal, decreased or increased combination. And such cases are of 12 types though. Out of this, 6 conditions are where one dosha is increased, the second is normal, third is decreased. In 3 types of combination, 2 dosha are increased, third is decreased. Finally, there are 3 types of combinations where one dosha is increased and other 2 are decreased. Another type of Sannibhada, 12 types. One dosha increased, second normal, third decreased, 6 type. Vada increased, Pitta normal, Kapha decreased. Vada increased, Pitta decreased, Kapha normal. Vada normal, Pitta increase, Kapha decrease. Vada normal, Pitta decrease, Kapha increase. Vada decrease, Pitta normal, Kapha increase. Also Vada decrease, Pitta increase, Kapha normal. The next, 2 dosha increased, third decreased. 3 type. Vada Pitta increased, Kapha decreased. Vada increased, Pitta decreased, Kapha increased. Vada decreased, Pitta and Kapha increased. Next, one dosha increased, other 2 decreased. So Vada increased, Pitta Kapha decreased. Pitta increased, Vada Kapha decreased. Vada Pitta decreased and Kapha increased. These are the 12 types of Sannibhada. So, in brief, Doshamana Vikalpacha are 62 in number. Vriddhi 25, Ekadosha 3, Samsarganayan, Sannibhada 30. Kshayaja 25, Ekadosha 3, Samsarganayan, Sannibhada 30. And another type of Sannibhada 12, total 62. 12 types of irregular, that is Vishama Sannibhada, combination of dosha. First, normal Pitta, decreased Kapha, increased Vada, Sannibhada. Prakritistam yatha Pittam Marudaha, Sleshmanaha, Kshaye. Sthanadhadaya, Ghatreshu, Yatra Yatra Visarpadi. Tadha, Vedascha, Dahascha, Tatra, Tatra Navastidaha, Gatra Deshe, Bhavati Yasya, Sramo, Daurbhalyameva Cha. In a condition where Kapha is decreased, Vada that takes out normal Pitta from its side and spreads it within the body, Visarpadi. Wherever this Pitta is placed, there is intermittent breaking pain, Veda, and burning sensation, Daham, as well as fatigue and weakness, Srama, Daurbalyam. Second, normal Kapha, increased Vada, decreased Pitta, Sannibhada. Prakritistam kabham vayu kshine pitte yadha bhali. Karshet kuryat tadha shulam sa shaityaha stamba ghauravam. In a condition of decreased pitta, increased vada takes out normal kapha from its side and spread it within the body. Wherever this kapha is placed, there is kaliki pain, shulam, coldness, shaityam, stamba, stiffness, and ghauravam, heaviness. Third, normal Vada, decreased Kapha, increased Pitta, Sannibhada. Yadha Anilam, Prakritikam, Pittam, Kapha Parikshaye, Samrunadhi, Tadha Dahaha, Shulam, Cha Asya Upachayade. In a condition of grossly decreased Kapha, when increased Pitta obstruct the pathway of normal Vada, causing burning sensation, Daha, and Kaliki pain, Shula. 4. Normal Kapha, decreased Vada and increased Pitta Sannibhada. So all the 3 other cases were Vada was increased. Now here Pitta is increased. Sleshmanam hi sama. Pittam yatha Vada parikshaye. Sannirudhyat tadha kuryat satandra gauravam chvaram. In case of a grossly decreased Vada, increased Pitta obstruct the normal Kapha, causing fever, chvaram, accompanied with a feeling of heaviness, gauravam, and drowsiness, tandra. Next is normal vada, decreased pitta, increased kapha, sannibada. Pravruddho hi yada sleshma pitte kshine samiranam. Rudhyatadha prakuruvita shidhagam gauravam rucham. In the case of decreased pitta, if increased kapha obstruct the normal vada, leading to a sensation of cold, shidam, heaviness, gauravam, and pain, rucham. Increased kapha, normal pitta, decreased vada, sannipada. Samirane, parikshine, kabaha, pittam, samatvakam. Kurvida, sanniruddhano, mruduvagnitvam, shiro graham. Nidram tandram praladam cha, hridrogam gatra gauravam. Naghadhinam cha pidhatvam, shtivanam kabapittayo. In case of decreased vada, if increased kapha obstruct the normal pitta, then it causes slow digestion, mridu agnitva, shirograham, stiffness of head, excessive sleep, nidra, drowsiness, tandra, delirium, pralabam, cardiac disease, hridrogam, heaviness in body, gatra gauravam, yellowness in nail, nagadinam, pidatvam, excess discharge of kabapitta, shtivanam, kabapittayo. Next, decreased vada, increased kapha, pitta, sannipada. Hina vadasya tu sleshma, pittena sahidascharan. Karodi, arojaga, apago, sadhanam, gauravam, tadha. Hrillasam, hrillasam, asya sravanam, pandudam, duyanam, madham. Viregasya cha, vaishamyam, analasya cha. In case of decreased vada, when increased kapha, pitta spreads in the body, causing anorexia, arojaga, indigestion, abhaga, avibhaga, asthenia, sadhanam, gauravam, heaviness, nausea, hrillasam, asyasravanam, salivation, panduda, anemia, few sensation of mouth, dhuyana, were mouth, throat, and palate, dhuyana. Intoxication, madam, irregularity of bowel and digestion, vaishamyam, analasya. Next is decreased pitta, increased kapha, vada, sannipada. Hina pittasya tu sleshma, marudena upasamhidaha. Stambam, shaityam, chatodam, cha, janayadi, anavasthitam. Gauravam, mrududam, agnehe, bhakta sraddham. Pravebhanam. Naghadinam cha shuklatvam, gatra parushyameva cha. In case of decreased pitta, the increased kapha and vada combine together, causing stiffness, stambam, coldness, shaityam, unstable pricking pain, todam, heaviness, gauravam, diminution of digestion, mrudu, agni, disinclination for food, bhakta, asraddha, tremor, pravebhanam, pallor of nails, etc. Naghadinam shuklatvam, roughness of body part, gatra parushyameva cha. Next, decreased kapha, increased vada and pitta, sannibada. Marudastu kabhe hine, pittam tu kuvidam dvayam. Karodi yani linkani, srunu tani samasadaha. Brahmam udveshtanam, todam daham, sudana vebhane, angamardam parishosham, duyanam dubanam tadha. In case of decreased kapha, increased vada and pitta combine together, causing giddiness, Brahmam, udveshtanam, cramps, todam, pricking pain, daham, burning sensation, svudanam, disruption, vebana, tremor, angamarda, body ache, parishosham, dehydration, duyanam, burning of mouth, throat, palate, dubanam, smoke from mouth. 10. Decreased Vata and Pitta and increased Kapha Sannibhata. Vata Pitta Kshaye Sleshma Srodamsi Abhi Dadda Prisham. Cheshta Pranasham Murcham Cha Vak Sangam Cha Karodi Hi. In case of decreased Vata and Pitta and increased Kapha, obstruction of Srodhas, Srodamsi Abhi Dadda, cause complete loss of movement, Cheshta Pranasham, Murcha, fainting, loss of speech, Vaksang. Decreased Vada in Kapha and increased Pitta Sannibhata. Vada Sleshma Kshaye, Pittam Deha Aujaha, Samsrayet Sharet. Glani, Indriya Dhaurbalyam, Trishna Murcha Kriya Kshayam. In case of decreased Vada in Kapha with an increased Pitta by affecting the ojas causes malaise, glani, Indriya Dhaurbalyam, asthenia or weakness of senses, Trishna, thirst, fainting, Murcha, Kriyakshayam, decreased physiological functions. Decreased Pitta and Kapha and increased Vada Sannibhata. Pitta Sleshma Kshaye, Vayu, Marmani, Adini Pidaye. Pranashayadi Sapnyam Cha, Depyadi, Adhava, Nara. In case of decreased Pitta and Kapha and increased Vada causes compression of vital center. Marmani, Adi Nipidayan. Adversely impacts consciousness. Pranashayadi Sapnyam, leading to severe tremor throughout the body. Vebadu. General principles of symptoms of increased and decreased dosha. Doshaha pravruddhaha swam lingam darshayanti yatha balam. Kshina jahadi lingam swam samaha swam karma kurveda. An increase in dosha causes consequent provocation to the same extent as increase of a symptom of a disease, lingam. On the other hand, a decrease of dosha leads to decreased or reduced function. In normal condition, doshas are in equilibrium. So here is the third part. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, you can post all your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.